So, sometime last year, like 2019 November, I did a video on two key panels I ordered from AliExpress for my Z9 V6. So, like I said in the video, I got them very cheap because the offer I got for the key here in Nigeria was too high, so beyond my budget. So I decided to go out and see if I can get it there. So I got it and it worked. So I actually got two. So I started using one that November, and by end of or towards the end of December, let's just say within 30 days, the key started, the remote, not the key per se. So I would say the remote control of which is part of the key function started acting up. It press lock sometimes, it wouldn't lock. Maybe if I try pressing it like 2 times or 3 times, then it will work. Same thing with unlocking the vehicle. Most times, when that issue started, I could tell that sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't, but both locking and unlocking. So I thought probably it could be the battery. I switched, swapping another battery, and I didn't notice any difference. So I dropped that one and picked up the second key, and everything started working well. But I also note that while the remote was acting up in the first key I got there from the AliExpress, so the car will start very well. You never gave any issue when it comes to starting the vehicle, except that the remote control, which was working well from the beginning, started doing that thing. So I dropped it and picked up the second one, and the remote started working very well, even with the initial battery on the first one that was acting up. So which showed that issue, of course, had nothing to do with battery. So I started using the second key about 30 days after. That's after the first one acted up. So now the second key that was working well, the remote that was working well and was starting the car well, recently I also started doing the same. In fact, today I drove somewhere, parked the vehicle, locked the door, just pressed the remote, it locked. I went away, came back about 5 minutes later, pressed the remote, it didn't work, nothing, no sign, nothing. Did everything the whole of the day, tried this several times, the remote refused to work. But just like the other one, if you switch on the ignition, it will start the vehicle without giving any immobilizer issue or anything. So I just want to update you guys. At least now you know. So now you understand that yeah, they are cheap, but so one or two functions or part of the work of the key doesn't last. In this case, the remote control. So unless if you are really interested in getting one that the remote control will work or serve you for a long time, I wouldn't recommend buying from the AliExpress. Of course, there are so many sellers there, but personally, they are all the same when it comes to quality control. Of course, I knew it wasn't going to last, but I thought at least it was going to serve me for a while before it started acting up. So now this like I told you guys, the problem I'm having with the Z9 V6 key, that's Peugeot 607 phase 2 ignition keys, if as you can see on the video on the screen right now, the key is exactly the same with that of Peugeot 407. Probably some other Peugeot cars or Citroen vehicles that use same key design. So it's like they almost, I would say, identical from their, from appearance. They are the same. Even when you, in fact, when you remove the case and see the panel inside is exactly the same with that of 407. But the only problem is that key insert, that blade or metal, the metal part of the key that goes into the ignition key. That is the only difference. The 407 one is different, looks similar to that of T6, that Peugeot 307 phase 2, and 408, yeah, that phase 1 408. So that's the only thing that is different. But every other thing, the Z9 insert, key insert, that blade is exactly like that of Peugeot 406. So all the ones you will see on Nigerian market will be that of the insert, that blade there will be like that of 407, which will not work. It won't work in that Z9. So what I will do, that's what I will do, because I need the remote control. So what I will do is I will just go and get that original, or just work towards getting that original Peugeot 407. Now you can buy it elsewhere, maybe from Bank, Kaduna, or any shop that sells the original one. So I buy it, then I'll swap because it will come with blank blade, that metal. So I just remove the old one. No, I'll remove the new blade. Then remove the old blade from the other key and put on the new case, with the panel and everything, and then program. That's if you want to. If you want to use the new, okay, you have to, because of that remote control, you have to program this thing. Even if the old key is still working, you have to program the new key. So unless maybe that case itself, the case of the old key is still in good condition, or you have something like this thing, you can look at it. The one on the screen is what we call key condom, or key cover, or whatever. I don't know the other names he has. So in that case, you may not need to remove the blade. All you need is just swap the panels, remove the old one from the old case, then put the new panel on the old case, close it back, program the key without changing, because swapping that panel, swapping the blade is not DIY. It's not, trust me, it's not something you can do by yourself. You have to do some machining. You have to, because the that blade inside that Z9 key is thicker. So if you want to put it on a new case, which is meant for that of Peugeot 407, they will have to machine or file that particular blade to reduce the size before it can enter inside the new case for the Peugeot 407. So it's up to you however you want to do it, but that's the only way for now. That's the only way you can buy a key for the Z9 V6. No, for just any Peugeot 607 phase 2. That's the way you can get original key that will serve you both the remote and starting of the vehicle. That's the immobilizer part. Of course, for Peugeot 407 owners, you can also buy from an open market. But like I said, if you want to buy from AliExpress, just know that, yeah, it will serve you, but it's most likely going to pack up after a while. I'm talking about the remote. Like I said, the two keys that the remotes are no longer working. They are still starting the vehicle, no problem. So I wouldn't know how long those ones will last. So, but I do know the remote are acting up. If maybe I'll just try another battery on the second one to see if battery was the cause of the whole mess today, but I doubt if it's battery, but it could be anyway. But I don't want to update you guys in case you consider buying from them, or if you intend to buy any Peugeot key from AliExpress. Just at least now you know my own what's it called, experience. So just to do the same. That's it. That's it for this video.